Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Angel B. Cabanesa, 24 years old, single. I am from Philippines. I am a Catholic. I have one brother and two sisters. I am second in the family. I am a high school graduate. I work as domestic helper here in the Philippines for almost 3 years. I serve 5 members in the family, 2 adults and 3 children. The ages of the children are 10, 8, and 5 years old. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking food, wash the dishes, cleaning the house, car washing, ironing. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities. I will do your rules and regulation. Thank you, ma'am and sir.